Today, Gray & Sons presents a behind-the-scenes look at an overhaul and detail service of a manual wind A. Lange & Son 1815 watch, model 233.032, in 18-karat rose gold. To begin servicing the watch, our master watchmaker starts by disassembling the timepiece one part at a time, checking the condition of each individual part and preparing them for the cleaning process. This Lange & Son movement contains a total of 188 parts, including 23 jewels, wheels, pinions, the dial, hands, screws, balance wheel mainspring, winding system, and more. The master watchmaker sets all these pieces in order before placing them into a series of small baskets, the parts separated to avoid any damage during the cleaning process. These smaller baskets then go into a larger basket which is placed into the cleaning machine. Here they go through a 45-minute cleaning cycle through 4 solvent liquid solutions to dissolve old oil and remove any dust and dirt. After the washing, the watchmaker takes all the pieces out of the baskets, ensuring they have been cleaned properly, and then the reassembly process begins. Each part is put back together, and each screw put back into place. The mainspring is wound and put back into the barrel. This is the power source of the watch. All of the jewels are re-lubricated to reduce any friction. Once the movement is back together, the watchmaker must thoroughly regulate the timing to make sure the mechanism is running and keeping time properly, using the latest Swiss computer amplitude technology. Meanwhile, in another department, our polisher carefully polishes, details, and cleans the case, making it ready to receive the movement. The case is then carefully sealed with gaskets. The Gray & Sons team of master watchmakers repeats this same process for every pre-owned watch that we sell and performs this service on customer watches every day. The strap installed, and the watch checked for pressure and water resistance using waterless testing computers. If you want any more information on our repairs or would like to receive one of our catalogs, please visit us at www.grayandsons.com.